wonderful smart investors. So welcome to one of our buy and parking estates here in VGC Lagos. As you can see, this is a very good estate in a very good location. It is already completed. All you need to do is parking and start living. This estate is in a 2-minute drive to the VGC Estate, and it's having a lot of functions modern estates always have. It's having its swimming pool, the gym center, perimeter fencing, electric fencing, DSTV pre-installed installation. It's a fully serviced estate, and you are to enjoy your stay in this estate. So we'll be going inside now and be having inspection of this, one of the buildings, to see what we have for you inside the estate. So please follow me and let's go on this inspection. Thank you.